morning, and thank you guys for coming down today and taking the time to come outside of London to TRL. And we're really pleased to be able to spend some time with you here today to take you through some very special news.
Looking to that technology, it offers now a solution to transport your child in a forward-facing mode that comes very close to a rearward-facing safety. This product will actually allow to give that safety and that assurance for your child, also in the forward-facing mode. We have sensors built into the AxissFix connectors, and these sensors, accelerometers, actually detect that the child seat is having a crash. And only in case of a true accident, it fulfills a certain set of criteria, then the airbags start to inflate. The two airbags pop out of the belt pads, which are located next to the head of the child, and they inflate with cold gas to ensure that the head can be cushioned in the event of the crash. The airbags inflate in a millisecond, and they also deflate within the milliseconds. So before you know it, they're flat again.
They act like a cushion by coming up and catching the child in an accident. It's not like the airbags in a car where they explode out towards you. This is much gentler, but very, very fast still.
How many times do you have to test this?
Hundreds of times to really prove it.
Is up to 55% safer than any other forward-facing car seat.